I would like now to introduce your speaker for today, Mary Schaeffer. Mary S. Schaeffer, a nationally recognized accounts payable expert, founded AP Now, a membership organization focused on creating business intelligence around the accounts payable and payment functions. She has written 18 business books and is a frequent and popular speaker at both online and live events. Schaeffer has created a number of CPE self-study courses, customized training, and online training events. Previously, she held positions as an assistant treasurer for the Equitable Life Assurance Society, a financial risk manager for O&Y, and a corporate cash manager for Continental Grain. She has an MBA in finance from NYU and a Bachelor in Science in Mathematics from York College, which is a public university system of New York City. Miss Mary, welcome to the program. We are now ready to begin.
Thank you, Michael, and thank you, everyone, for coming today to hear me talk about TIN solicitation best practices. It's a part of, most of the time, the accounts payable function that I believe is very important. Today we're going to, our time together, I've broken it down into 5 areas. We have some introductory remarks explaining what a TIN is, etc. Then we're going to spend a lot of time, or quite a bit of time, talking about collecting TINs, okay? And I realize there's a typo in the word collecting, okay? So we're going to talk about the proper best practices to collect TINs. Then we're going to spend a little bit of time using a free service from the IRS called TIN matching. And then we will talk, as we come down towards the end of our time together, about when is it correct to ask for a new TIN from someone you've been doing business with and when not to. And then we're going to talk about some best practices. And along the way, I'll be sharing with you some not-so-great practices that I sometimes see folks practicing. Okay, so let's start out. What is a TIN? You probably know, but I just want to be complete here in case somebody's listening who is not as up to speed as you are. We use the word TIN to stand for Taxpayer Identification Number, okay? It's a number that you need in order so that you can report income to the IRS, okay, for certain taxes of certain classes of taxpayers. And mainly, especially if you're in accounts payable, it's your independent contractors, okay? And you need this information, this taxpayer identification number, so that you can produce clear and accurate Form 1099s to report this income to both the recipient and the IRS come January of each year. If you don't do this correctly, if you have a mismatch in the name and the TIN combination, then it could mean fines, it could be penalties, but even more importantly, it can mean a lot more work for you or for your accounts payable department. So it's really important to do it right because let's face it, nobody likes to call attention to themselves with the IRS, okay? It's one of those parties, you know, you want to keep as far away as you can